This Labubu trend is absolutely going crazy right now, and so are these viral Yeti vlog style videos. And so what I wanted to do is I actually wanted to try to create an AI automation to mimic the style of those viral Yeti vlog videos, but actually do it with the super cute and super viral Labubu characters. Let me show you what this system makes, because by the end of the video, you will know exactly how to make an AI automation to create viral faceless videos.
Hey friend, today I'm exploring this amazing park. Check out these beautiful trees and the vibrant energy all around.
Not gonna lie, that's pretty awesome. These Yeti videos have been absolutely going crazy. 16 million views, 1 million views, 4 million views, 3 million views. You get the idea. And then if you look at this trend graph for Labubu, like over time, like it has been absolutely popping off right now. So while this Yeti trend may be on its way out, I have a feeling that if we're going to create these faceless style videos with Labubu instead, we're going to have a winner. So let me show you exactly how the system works. If you want to get access to anything that we build today, hop into the community, come into the resource library, come into the VIRAL Labubu faceless video generator. You can just scroll down to the bottom here, grab all the resources, quick download, and import these straight into your system, and you're ready to go. So I'm just going to kick this off, and I'm going to basically walk you through what's happening. So basically all the magic is happening inside of this prompt generator. So what we're doing is I have a really, really simple user message. It literally just says, generate a Labubu blogger prompt. That's it, right? And really the magic itself is happening inside of the system message. This is where we give all of the details to it. So in order to generate the video, we're using Google Veo 3, and I basically did all of the work for you. I went through all of the best practices in order to create this prompt, all the things you need, the core requirements, all the characteristics of a Labubu, and then the specific prompt structure for Veo 3 so you can get the highest quality results. You basically just need the subject, the context, the action, like the camera motion, what the composition is like, and what the lighting is like. And then we give it some technical specs and quality standards. What's really cool about Google Veo 3 is that it generates both the video and the audio all at once in super high quality. So basically you can see here, we just generated this prompt, which is basically going to be the prompt for the video generator: a spirited Labubu with a smooth, peach tan expressive face, large dark oval eyes that blink naturally, and a wide grin revealing a row of white fangs. It's fluffy, dense fur hood with the ears transitioned sharply from the face, which is really the defining characteristic of the Labubu. So here we're just sending this prompt over to this HTTP request. And in order to do that, we're using this service called Fal.ai. And Fal.ai basically just has like a whole host of APIs and kind of like apps that you can use. You can use like text to video generation, image to video, and all sorts of things. So this gives us access to the Veo 3 API. I will say that it is not cheap to run. It is $3.75 to generate 8 seconds of video. But if you're getting millions of views for it, maybe it's worth it to you. It's up to you. If you want to get access to the API, you just come into your profile, go into the account, and go into API keys and add a new API key. So from there, we're just making a post request to the Veo 3 endpoint, and we're just setting up our authentication here. And then I'm literally just dragging and dropping in the prompt from the Labubu generator. What's cool about using the API is I can actually set the aspect ratio to 9:16, which is the vertical format. So this goes great on, TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and things like that. Saying, yes, I want to generate audio, and then I want the system to actually enhance the prompt for me to make sure we get the best results. After that, we send this over to a get video node, and we're just have the same URL in here. And instead, we just change this to requests and then / and then we just basically have the ID of the video. And so if we come over here and we go into create video, you can see this is the request ID that we're grabbing, and we're just piping this into the end here. And we're just setting this up again with our authentication credentials. So here's like a little pro tip is I actually set up an error handler. And so what's happening is this is looking to see if the video is done. If the video is done, it's going to pass it on down here to actually download and save the video to Google Drive. If it's not done, it's going to actually send an error. But what's cool is that I have come in here, and if you go into settings, you can change the on error, and you can say continue using error output. And you can just pass this to like a wait module. And I just have this set to wait for 2 minutes. And so what it's going to do, it's going to wait for 2 minutes. And then after the 2 minutes is up, it's just going to check to see if the video is done again. So if the video is done, it's going to pass it on like it just did. If the video isn't done, you'll get the same error. It'll wait another 2 minutes, and then it'll check again to see if the video is finished processing. And after that, we're just coming down here. We're just grabbing the URL. We're putting this in the URL slot so we can download the video. And then we're just uploading this to Google Drive. So we're just using like a Google Drive node with the operation set to upload. And basically all we're doing is we're just grabbing the folder ID down here from the folder that we want to save it to. And I'm just saving it to the same folder. I was making some glass ASMR videos earlier, but basically all I'm doing is I'm just grabbing this folder ID, which is up here. And then I'm just putting this in the slot here so it knows where to save it. And you can see here we have a brand new video that's done. And so I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to download this video, and let's see what we got.
Hey folks, let's explore the beauty of autumn together. Feel that refreshing breeze?
Not bad. So you can totally go in, customize the system, customize the prompt to your liking. Again, if you want to get access to this, hop into the community, come over to the resource library, go ahead and download the files from here. If you're interested in making faceless videos, check out this video I made up here where I show you exactly how to create viral glass fruit videos. You know, the ones where you see a knife cutting through a piece of glass fruit. I'll see you over there.